At this year's summer tour of the Art and Design department on Campus Berlin, the bachelor's graduates from 6 creative programs presented their graduation thesis.
What I like about the exhibition is the diversity of works. We see works from all the different programs, photography, illustration, communication design and so on. And each student really expressed themselves individually. After 3.5 years of studying, they found their own way of communicating in their field, and they found their own metaphorical language.
The lecturers awarded 1 prize for the best bachelor thesis per program. 2 of the winners were Mònica Bussmann from the Communication Design program and Lydia Hansen von Fotografie.
I feel very happy and very proud because I've been spending 3-4 months working on that project, and I'm very happy to see that all the effort and all the hours I spent in the library and at home working on that project actually were worth it, and I'm very happy to see all my friends and family proud of me.
I wanted to go back to my childhood, so the place where I was born, and the location that really meant something to me or still means something to me, and kind of rediscover them because I've been documenting them for years and years.
Art and design students learn to draw attention to stories and realities in a creative way. Students from other semesters also have the opportunity to present their work to the public at the university's exhibitions.
But being creative it's not a journey which comes to an end. Being creative is something which you do all of your life. You're curious and you try out new ways. So it's A to B today, but the journey goes on.
At the annual exhibitions, students of the University of Applied Sciences Europe regularly exhibit their work free of charge. Information on current exhibitions and studying at one of the 3 campuses can be found at ue-germany.de.